Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Dell Latitude 3410 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Now locate the battery release latch on the underside of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 4 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery clearly. It is usually secured with additional screws. Carefully unscrew these screws and set them aside. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is often a simple pull connector, but ensure you grip it firmly and pull straight out to avoid damaging the pins. Once disconnected, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the connector. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by pushing the connector back into place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once the battery is securely connected, replace the screws that hold it in place. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the battery. Finally, replace the back panel of your laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Before powering on your laptop, it's a good idea to check that everything is in order. If you have any concerns, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Now reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check that the new battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Dell Latitude 3410. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.